Kaunti ya Nandi na Nyandarua ni kumwigwa kuria waki wa irathi cia CBC thiini wa Ikereka ria keri wambiriirie kurikirira thirikari igitanya gukinyaniria waki wa irathi ngiri 10 na ihenya utauria kwahoteka. Akiaria thukurini wa anake wa Pumwani, Minister wa Githomo George Magoha augite kuhitukira ene thukuru cia andu kiumbe aria meyandikithitie gukorwo makiambiriria thukuru cia junior secondary na baya irathi ni itanyitwo kuongerereka makiria micini minene ta Nairobi.
As far as the private sector is concerned, in Nairobi in particular, we are doing very well. We have for the primary schools in the private sector, I think around 20 or so have been cleared for registration. Another 70 or so must be done by Saturday. I think the various organs are meeting, and that will give us close to 1,000 classrooms that we require as a deficit in Nairobi.
Magoha oho akiuga kuri na nyongerere ngi ya irathi thiini wa thukuru cia muthingi cia thirikari iria ciri na iwanja nene kuria irathi ici ingiakwo.
The classrooms in the primary school that is attached to about sizable number of 2,300 classrooms, 2,300 schools across the country will give us an additional 5,000 classrooms. So I think we are doing well and good to go.
Maya magithiaga na mbere moderator wa kanitha wa PCEA muthikafu Thegu Mutahi nioritie arugamiriri a mathukuru matikaigate arutwo ni undu wa marihi mathukuru akiuga aciari aingi makoretwo makigerera ihinda iritu ria gucokaniriria besha ona kuhana rogwo akiuria thirikari gwika mituki kurekereria besha cia mahuthiro kuri mathukuru.
We know the challenges of running schools, but we ask you to be patient, particularly in public schools where capitation may also be raised. But we hope the Cabinet Secretary, because he has promised that he will release capitation, he will do it very fast so that the head teachers do not suffer trying to keep children in school, because children who are hungry can't study.
Na orere thukuru iracokereirie muthenya wa ira Thegu nioritie muingi na ateti guthingata thayu niguo gwithema maundu maria mangithararia mihango ya o muthenya ari hamwe na githomo.
And we advise that people vote peace first before voting for their political parties of choice, and the candidates they will vote for to vote for peace.
Ihinda-inĩ riu akiuria ateti aria matakaiganira na maumirira ma githurano magetha uteithio wa igoti handu-ini ha gukuruhania muingi niguo mateta mao maiguike. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.